How to make matzo bread. Mix a third cup of olive oil with a half cup of water in a bowl. Empty 2 cups of flour into a mixer and add a half a teaspoon of salt. Then pour the oil and water into the mixer and set on medium. Next, sprinkle flour onto the board and place the dough on it. Begin kneading the dough. Slice the dough into equal parts. Then start rolling the small pieces of dough, one at a time. Next, grab a fork and penetrate the flat dough multiple times. Sprinkle with salt. Next, place one in the frying pan on low heat. Leave on one side for 1 minute, then flip. Now it's time to enjoy.